know about y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I have to face my fears. I have to walk inside of the face of darkness. I have to stare it right in the motherfucking face and conquer it. I don't know about y'all, but I hate limitations. I hate fear. Fuck fear. Fear does not live here. We are the Black Illuminati Occult Spirituality Incorporated Tribe, wanted dead or alive, hollering, yelling and screaming at our lower selves as we begin manifesting every lesson, as we realize each moment is a blessing. Each moment is a blessing, and we take full advantage of it. No mercy, no fear. Rebellion, self-mastery, and revolution. Rebellion, self-mastery, and revolution. Rebellion, self-mastery, and revolution. Activating the daemon, going deep inside of oneself. Listening to your soul. Listening to your desires is listening to your soul. Allowing the greater part of yourself to come and be magnified, amplified. Put on a whole nother level of benevolence. Activating the daemon. Dealing with witchcraft. Voodoo, voodoo, hoodoo, whatever the fuck. Just do that magical shit that you do. We are creating self-science. We are so defiant. It is our time. It is only your time when you say it is your time. Meditate and visualize a ball of white light coming from the back of your head. Push that ball of white light all around the things that you want to manifest. And also push that white light through your imagination all around the things you want to eradicate. Give the things that you want to eradicate, the things you want to take away from you, your weaknesses and your shortcomings, your need for validation from others, your need to want to worship the ancestors, not realizing that you are above the gods. You are a pure entity. You are 100% black, satanic, Luciferian energy, excellence, and benevolence. Now, if you want to be the one to ascend, if you want to be the one to ascend out of the traps of mental slavery, you must realize it's based on knowledge, wisdom, and information. There are interlocking worlds and spaces set apart from this world. However, only through your knowledge of self and the application of that knowledge of self will you be able to go past the fear and the doubt of your lower self. Now, don't get me wrong, the lower self is needed just as much as the higher self, because there cannot be a higher if there were not a lower, and there cannot be a lower if there was not a higher. As entities, as the cosmic monsters, the dragons, we are in the power frame of monster and dragon because the monster and the dragon was around before the gods were created. The entities appeared on the planet in the form of the dragons and the dinosaurs, and the big grotesque entities is what we walked around as. We had a particular time in our evolution where we would feed off pure sunlight and the moisture of the air, and our organs were on the outside of our bodies purely to absorb. Remember, there's different makes and different models of the human body, and we are the original humans the same way we are the original people of America, the original people of the planet, the original people of the universe, the original people of the land of unlimited potentiality that created the goddamn universe and everything in it. And everything in it